first and then moves to the north and east and is where it is located now, but you can definitely see a change. Watch from southern Durham County and then see the greens against the reds, and then it disappears. So what we're seeing is not the strong rotation that we saw as it was moving through southern Durham County, northern Wake County. Greg and I were watching this even before it was a tornado warning, seeing something interesting on the radar as it advanced over northern Wake County. And again, this is all that's left.
Let me check outside.
Time lapse.
It's getting dark.
Watch now, and not showing any real signs of rotation is this area here.
It sure did get black in here, didn't it, Andy? Man, it's pitch black in my living room. I can't tell if that's a funnel cloud or not, but it sure is starting to look like it. They have spotted a funnel cloud in Nashville, and it's heading towards our direction. And they have already, they're kind of like warning us, and it's letting us know to be kind of like on the lookout for it and to be ready for cover, but I don't like the way that looks. It's getting ready to hit our area. They've already said we've got about maybe 4 minutes, 5 minutes maybe, before this storm starts to come around in our area. But if you look at these, look how clear it is right there. And then you look right over there, and that whole section there. So I don't know if that's where if there's a funnel cloud there or not. The trees are hiding it, but it sure is mighty black in that area. Well, I'll let you guys know later about what happens, but we're getting in for safety. I'll talk to you guys later. I hope that's not a tornado, but it's starting to, it really does look like they've already spotted 2 already have hit in Spring Hope, Franklin County. And that same sail was heading right towards our direction. So hopefully it'll bypass us. Honey? Andy? Come take a look and see what you think. I sure hope that's not a twister right there, but darn if it sure don't look like it. See how it's going down towards the ground? If that is not a twister, I swear up and down. I mean, I've seen them before, but this one here has kind of got me wondering because I can't see past the trees. Look over there this way too. That way. What's it look like there? I swear, Annie, that looks like a damn tornado right there. It's moving too. That's the thing. It was way over here a few minutes ago. Now it's over here. I just hope it's not coming this way. Look at that sucker, man. There was a tornado that did touch down in 2 areas, and it did cause damage, and they're saying that it was headed this way, so I don't know if this is what this is or not. Because I cannot see the, can't see it going to touching the ground, if you know what I'm saying. But it is definitely moving, and probably about the, they said, oh yeah, look at that. Do you see it, Andy? Look over there. In the corner. Right that way. There. Honey, that thing's coming this way. Come on, get back up here. Andy, it looks like it's heading this way. Look at that. It's already moved. That's definitely a tornado. Yes, indeed. It is definitely a tornado. Look at that sucker. Honey, come on over here. Get closer to the house. Honey, come on. Yeah, it's getting windy too. Come on, get in the house. Andy. He loves to get out in storms, and I can't stand them. So sometimes I have to scream at him, because I've seen him in pure lightning standing out in the yard like a dumb nut. Look at him. Okay. See him? Come on. Get in the house. One of these days he's going to finally get whipped up in it. Yeah, it's heading towards Rocky Mountain. Maybe at a... Looks like it might be breaking up over here on this side. I don't know. It just does look like it's starting to break up. But then I don't trust these things, so... Yeah, see, it's starting to break up now. Still moving into Rocky Mountain area, so that's it right over there. I just hope nobody gets hit by it, though. That's the only thing I'm worried about. You can see the winds blowing. The winds aren't too bad right this second, but they said about 60-mile-an-hour winds might come affect us, so I don't, it's not really that bad. It is feeling weird, though. Like all quiet before the storm. You need to get in the house.
You know, would you just leave me alone?
Uh-oh. Bumblebee just came in.
Yeah, well, close the damn door.
Yeah, it's breaking up now. See that? breaking up a little bit, so hopefully it's passing us. But you can see the funnel still over there. It looks like it has broken up some though. Hope so. Well, let's go look at the news again. Rain's starting to come in now, so we're getting ready. We're not over with in the storm.
Chilly now.
Good. Hope you freeze.
Tree that was down, Kevin. You're standing next to a tree that has fallen in the storm.
Gerald, we've been in this area for about 20 minutes or so. Enough time to notice there's significant damage here in this area, including this tree here. We're not too far from Falls of Noose, as you mentioned.
8:15 p.m. now.
This tree is a little hollow on the inside, or what's left of it, as you can see. However, even a tree this size, there has been some significant wind to knock down, as you can see what's left of it. And it also caused damage to the
6 miles west of Rocky Mount, 2 miles east of...
taking a hole about 20 yards or so from there. If I go a block this way or a block that way, I can see there are several trees down.
Alright guys, I'm going to have to go.